The country's health experts are trying to figure out just how many of us have gotten the coronavirus.
Yeah, so right now we're relying on those who've gotten tested, but that's not accurate. So they're now turning to the New Orleans area for some answers. Meg Ferris has more on that.
Unsure of ways to avoid passing it to others.
You've seen pop-up shops, pop-up restaurants, but this may be the first pop-up COVID tent. The National Institutes of Health picked Orleans and Jefferson Parishes, along with 12.5 other cities, to join the COMPASS study.
We don't know the actual prevalence in the community.
That's right. Even with all the numbers out there, we really don't know how many of us have the virus or had the virus. That's because there are people who never got tested. There are those who never get sick and know they were infected. So the COMPASS study aims to get a better idea. So every day, Dr. Patty Kissinger and these Tulane researchers will move their tents to a different community location. Caitlin Taylor signed up on the spot.
I think it's really important to contribute to COVID research. I'm able-bodied, healthy, so I think it's really important.
So did George Mahdi.
Well, I think it's important for the community to be proactive about COVID-19 because it's killing a lot of people.
I did too. It's simple. You get a free nose swab to see if you have the virus. You get a free antibody blood test to see if you had it in the past. They ask you questions about your health habits, your willingness to get the vaccine, and how the pandemic changed your lifestyle. Then you're done, and you earn a $25 Amazon gift card for your time.
So what we're trying to do is get excellent representation of the population, so we're going to the community.
That's why the daily locations are unannounced, so participants are random.
We went to the zoo yesterday, and many of the people said, oh, we've seen your signs around. So it's getting out in the community. People are starting to understand that we're here.
So over the next few months, look for the COMPASS sign. Anyone starting at 2 months and older can do it. Meg Ferris, Eyewitness News.